Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neha and today we are going to start a very important chapter of grade 10, that is real numbers. And the board weightage of this chapter is around 5 to 6 marks. देखो natural numbers क्या है? All counting numbers are natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the numbers which start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And in integers, we have negative numbers also along with the positive numbers. Then what are real numbers? Real numbers are the numbers are both rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers can be written in the form of p by q, okay, where q should never be 0 like 4 by 5 or 5 or 4. If it's simple 4, then the denominator will be 1 and then also it will be considered as a rational number. What are irrational numbers? The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q like pi, root 2, root 3, etc. And this you all must have done in class in grade 9 in chapter number 1, okay, where you might have learned about rationalization. So this is the basic introduction about all the numbers. Next you have prime numbers, the numbers which have only two factors, one in the number itself, like 2, 5, 7. 2 is the smallest prime number. Then composite numbers are the numbers, all the numbers other than prime numbers, they are known as composite numbers. There is an important note, one is neither prime nor composite. It cannot be kept in the category of prime, it cannot be kept in the category of composite. Generally, MCQ come from this point in the board examination. इस चैप्टर की पहली थ्योरम है फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक. The statement of this theorem says that every composite number can be expressed as a product of its primes. Yes, so it's true that every composite number can be expressed as the product of its primes. हम एक composite number ले लेते हैं example के लिए, suppose हमने 10 ले लिया, so इसके factors क्या हो जाएंगे 2 and 5. Okay, so it can be expressed as the product of primes and this factorization is unique. So the factorization will be unique for different numbers apart from the order in which prime factors occur. अब इस लाइन का क्या मतलब है कि it can be written as 2 into 5 or it can be written as 5 into 2 apart from the order. Order doesn't matter. So it can be written either 2 into 5 or 5 into 2. So this is the meaning of this statement which is generally asked in the examination. So ये था इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो. अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 1.1 स्टार्ट करेंगे. एंड अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, इससे कुछ आपको फायदा हुआ हो, तो प्लीज इसको लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू.